Welcome! My partner and I have been testing the new EyeOasis 3 eye massager from the brand
Bob and Brad eye massager is on. Air pressure plus heat plus music.
for about 2 weeks now. The device was kindly provided to us for testing, but as always, you're getting my honest opinion. First off, what exactly is an eye massager? The EyeOasis 3 simulates the pressing and kneading of a human massage and targets pressure points around the eyes. This gentle yet effective massage can help relieve eye fatigue and stress in the eye area. It's a great option, especially for anyone who spends a lot of time in front of a screen or simply wants a quick break during the day. Let's start at the beginning. Here's what's included in the box. You get a user manual, a charging cable, note, without a charging station, and inside the carrying case you'll find the eye massager along with a gel mask that can also double as a sleep mask. The charging port is cleverly hidden in the middle when you fold the device. Now onto the features and functionality. There are 2 heat settings,
High heat.
40 and 45 degrees Celsius, which combined with the gentle pressure help relax the eye area and reduce puffiness. If you're after a cooling effect, you can chill the gel mask in the fridge beforehand. The device itself doesn't have active cooling. The EyeOasis 3 offers 3 compression levels: gentle,
Soft pressure. Moderate pressure. Strong pressure.
moderate, and intense. The higher the setting, the stronger and longer the pressure phases during the massage. This allows you to tailor the intensity to your personal comfort level. The noise level is only about 45 decibels, so it hardly disturbs your surroundings. That said, you will notice the sound while wearing it. Personally, I've already had 10 sessions on a single charge, and the low battery indicator LED hasn't even turned on yet. It charges via USB-C, very convenient, especially on the go. Just make sure not to use a fast charger, as that could damage the battery. You can connect the device to your smartphone via Bluetooth and listen to your own relaxing music or a podcast through the built-in speakers. The overall volume isn't very high, but honestly, that might be a good thing if you're looking to truly relax.
Bluetooth connected. Maximum volume.
Dieses kompakte Gerät ist nicht nur leicht und tragbar, sondern auch preisig. Der ergonomische Silikongriff fühlt sich wertig an und liegt gut in der Hand. Die 5 Geschwindigkeitsstufen bieten für jede Muskelpartie die richtige Intensität.
Low volume. Medium volume. Maximum volume. No volume.
I like using the EyeOasis 3 for a quick 15-minute break at midday to reset my mind and eyes. Because it gets pretty dark inside the mask, almost no light shines through and I really disconnect for 15 minutes. No phone, no distractions. Afterwards, my eyes feel totally refreshed. My partner prefers using it right before bed. The massage and darkness help her wind down. It's like a short switch-off moment before falling asleep. Whenever we have a headache or just feel overwhelmed, this combo now comes to mind instantly. What I really appreciate are the different air compression phases, especially around the temples. Depending on the setting, the intensity changes noticeably. The higher level feels quite intense. Great if you like a deeper massage. If you prefer it gentler, just pick the lower setting. The heat feature also boosts blood circulation and adds extra relaxation, but only when it works properly. With our first test unit, the heat function stopped working after we charged it with a fast charger. Definitely something to be mindful of. The manual even points out the importance of using a suitable charger, or else you might run into issues, as we unfortunately did. With our second unit, the heat didn't kick in every time, but that might be due to how often we've used it. There's a built-in safety feature to prevent overheating, and later the heat function worked normally again. But the real highlight here is definitely the massage itself. So here's my conclusion. The EyeOasis 3 by Bob and Brad offers a truly soothing eye massage that effectively relaxes the eyes, temples, and forehead. Whether during a lunch break or just before bed, the 15-minute session gives both my partner and me a little escape from the day. The device is super comfortable and I'll keep using it whenever I feel my head or eyes need a break. If you're looking for a deeply relaxing eye massager with both heat and cooling options, the EyeOasis 3 could be a great choice for you. I've linked the model in the video description. Thanks for watching and enjoy your relaxation time. See you next time. All the best.